Well, by now, you know I like rebuilding these fuel delivery systems. It's not that I can rebuild these on a daily basis. You know, I only have a couple of bracket assemblies to even put one of these together. But in that last video I posted just a few days ago on the 450 SL fuel delivery system, the one that I restored sold within 2 hours. So obviously somebody out there would rather get one of these than fix up their own like this one. they get kind of old and ratty looking like this. And this is how this one looked, maybe even worse when I started. But this is a really unique fuel delivery system. It's on those really early electronic fuel injected systems that was called Bosch D-Jetronic. And a real problem's arisen because these fuel pumps that you see here, the original fuel pumps, are no longer made. You can't get them anywhere. So I went to work and I figured out how to get a fuel pump with the right pressure rating and the right fitting size to fit in this bracket and then adapt it to the original filter. You see here, you just have a hoses. But I went and got the right fittings and made some modification here and was able to get this newer style pump to work with this fitting here. Now this unit fits a 1970 to 1973 W108 and W109 V8, small V8s, 3.5 and 4.5. So when I did one for my 300 SEL 4.5, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. This is another little work of art I finished, and this one also will be going up for sale when this video is posted on YouTube. So if you have one of these, you might want to jump on it, because once again, I'm not going to be probably doing any more of these. Just a note, this will also fit on the early 450 SLs, 1972 to 1975, but this top bracket will be different. You know, this whole assembly here will be the same. I also have kits for both the early SLs and for the 108 and 109 small V8s. You can buy all these parts and put this together yourself and go ahead and paint your own bracket. And you'll be able to do this yourself and make your own fuel delivery system look as pretty as this one. So if you're interested in this one of a kind, I don't know how long it's going to be around, but I'll put a link in the description below this video. I'll also put links to my kits. So if you have one of these early V8s, you'll be able to rebuild your own fuel delivery system with this upgraded Bosch fuel pump that you see here.